Hey guys, and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to have a look at some of the 2021 Hot Wheels car collections. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. So before we start this video, I want to share with you some nice wallpapers I created to help you treasure hunting or just to have a nice background on your smartphone. Please make sure you follow the download link in the description down below. I hope you enjoy it. So yeah, let's start. So that was it. The box is empty. And also my pockets. So yeah, this year's lineup I have to say looks really good. There are a lot of cars that really look great, have nice color schemes, have nice decals. So what are your thoughts of this yearly lineup? Please let me know down below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, my name is Sam, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye!